Good evening, JFK caregivers. I'm Elliot Platt.
And I'm Helen Pampuchis. We're from the JFK Morning News Crew.
Us too, Jesse and Orion behind the scenes.
Welcome to our open house. This evening we are following an A-Day 5, 6, 7 schedule.
Each period will be 10 minutes long, except first period, which will be 15 minutes long, and you will have 5 minutes to get from one period to the next.
If you're having trouble finding a classroom, please feel free to ask our Ask Ambassadors, who will be wearing name tags to identify themselves and roaming around.
Here's a few messages from various programs and clubs. Ask Ambassador applications are due tomorrow, September 18th, to the front office.
Clubs are starting up very soon. The drama club and school play rehearsals will be on Wednesdays with Miss Karen and Miss Galana starting September 24th. The yearbook club will also be on Wednesdays this year with Miss Engebretson starting September 24th.
Here's a message from the Media Center. That's us!
Woo.
We'll be looking to add more people to our news crew this year. If your students would be interested in being on camera or behind the scenes, we need them. Tell them to keep an ear out for more information.
The school newspaper is back, and we will need students who are interested in writing and reporting. We also need creative students for the art and design elements. If you think your student might be interested, tell them to keep an eye out for more information.
Here's a message from Nurse Melissa. Make sure to get your emergency health forms into the nurse so that your child can have things like Vaseline for chapped lips or lotion for dry skin.
Would you like to buy a JFK Huskies t-shirt or hoodie? We know you do. Use our Bonfire store. You can choose your style and color, and it will ship directly to you.
Before you leave tonight, make sure you check out the raffle and the sponsor book setup in the front.
The raffle helps support our Ask and PBIS incentive program. Caregivers will have an opportunity to purchase raffle tickets, $1 each or 6 for $5, at the door before the start of open house or during passing time. Winners will be announced at the end of open house.
And the sponsor book program helps pay for incentives for library and media center programs. To sponsor a book, choose a book from our display, donate the equivalent of the cost of the book, and we'll put a book plate in it with whatever message you want.
That's all the news we have. Have a splendiferous evening
And a fantabulous night.